Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can install the Eclipse IDE on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to install Eclipse IDE on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Eclipse, since that's where we can download their IDE. So just go and search this. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download the Eclipse IDE on this website, just click this download button right here. And after clicking it, you will then be directed to the download page of Eclipse. So here on the downloading page, you will be able to see many products of Eclipse you can download, including their Eclipse IDE. So just click the download button. And then click the download button once again. And after that, your Eclipse IDE will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, at the Eclipse installation page, you will be able to see different versions or packages of Eclipse you can download, such as Eclipse for Java, C++, PHP, and more. Select the version of Eclipse that suits your needs and the project you will work on. In my case, I will install the Eclipse for Java, assuming that I will use the IDE to work on Java projects. And after selecting a version or package, just click the install button. And after that, your Eclipse IDE for Java will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, your Eclipse IDE for Java will now be installed. And by the way guys, if you want to install more versions or packages of Eclipse, just go back to the Eclipse installer page and then you will be able to see the different versions you can install once again, so you can select another one if you want to. But in my case, I'm already fine with my Eclipse IDE for Java, so I will just open it. And then Eclipse will show you the location of the workspace directory, which is where all your projects and settings will be saved by default. If you want to change this location, you can click Browse and select a different folder. Otherwise, you can keep the default location and click Launch to proceed. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your Eclipse IDE, so you can now use it to create your coding projects. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.